Hello and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short or Randy4short. And in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys a series, basically me making over my office on a budget. It's not going to be a super small budget. It's going to be $1,000, but that is what I want to put towards my office because I will be buying furniture and things like that. But just to give a little background, those who have been following me know that we are going to be paying off the rest of my student loans this month. Well, I actually already paid it off. So our 2020 debt-free journey that I started last year to basically become consumer debt-free has now ended. It is now complete. We have finished that goal. So as a reward for paying off my student loans to myself, I am going to be making over my office. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys like my theme for my office and kind of like my inspiration of just what I want to do. Quickly touch on like what my office looks like right now and just a quick overview of how I want it to look and like the plans I have for the office. So before I hop into the inspiration part, the exciting part, I just want to quickly go over like what I need from this office because basically how I operate is I like to get in a space, be in that space for some time and figure out what I need. I don't like to immediately decorate. And that goes for our house as well. We bought a brand new house and we have yet to decorate it as well. And I'm actually glad that I didn't because how I thought I was going to use a couple of spaces in the house when we first saw it has definitely changed based on our needs. So yeah, I'm glad we didn't just jump in and start decorating like I originally thought, and we actually pivoted to just paying off debt instead. So yeah, my house definitely isn't up to par as far as like decoration, but function wise, it definitely is what we need. So I'm definitely function before aesthetic. So, and that's just, from everything that I do. All right, so let's jump into the fun stuff. So the themes that inspired me is mostly going to be boho and mid-century modern. I am definitely a boho girl through and through. I love the colors, I love the style, and I love that you can incorporate things that you have picked up throughout life and through your travels and things like that and just turn it into a sort of style. It's carefree and it has no real rhyme or reason, but it goes together. Like it's a pleasing kind of decor or like design. So I'm definitely boho from like clothing to home decor to planners and things like that. That's just my style, but depending on what we're talking about, whether it's like clothes or office supplies and things like that, I'm definitely more of like a casual chic, or in the terms of home decor, it's like I'm more of a mid-century modern boho mix. So mid-century modern gives me the clean lines, the minimalistic look and things like that, and it's just like natural patterns and fabrics and metals and stuff like that. So I like those two together when it comes to home decor, and that's the look that I'm going to be going for in my office. So with those two designs in mind, this is the mood board that I came up with for my office. Again, it's going to be a mixture of boho and mid-century modern. So boho is going to come from the color palette that you see. It's going to be vibrant, but it's not going to be the oranges and turquoise. I wanted it to be more of an earthy feel. And I do want to still incorporate natural woods and the different like carefree elements of the boho interior design. So you see I have like abstract art up at the top. I love abstract art. I typically like it to be of something identifiable, such as like animals or people or something like that, instead of just, some kind of design. And I also am really loving line art right now. So you see that in the top right corner with the woman and the florals on her. So those are like what I'm going to really be pulling from for the boho. And then as far as the mid-century modern, I wanted to like make it a little bit more on the modern style. And I wanted it to have like gold accents in all of like the furniture, and have clean lines, and just keep everything just clutter free, because with boho I feel like it's easy for you to just put a whole bunch of stuff everywhere, but I don't like that look. I like just open spaces and clean lines, and you know, a space for everything and everything in its space. So that's kind of what I'm going for. Also, since starting YouTube, I figured out that I need different spaces within my office. So what I mean is I need one space dedicated to my planners and like making videos for YouTube. Then I need another space for my computer, so I can just do admin work or whatever else I need to work on with the computer. And then I need a space for pictures, so something that I can just stage, because I like to do things seasonally. So I think having a space dedicated to taking pictures for like Instagram and for thumbnails and things like that would be easier if I just had it ready to go, and just, you know, point and shoot type of situation. And then the last area that I need is aesthetic storage. So it'll be in the background of my YouTube videos. So I was thinking to go to IKEA for most of my furniture, but a lot of the IKEA furniture is just like white and it's bulky, and I didn't really want all of that in my office. But I do think they are a great solution for storage. So my plan is to do half of my office first with you know, just the setup of the desk and shelving and things like that, just so I can see how much storage I need, because IKEA is not cheap. I don't know if anybody's been looking at the prices of like the Alex drawers and stuff lately, but they're up there, especially in Southern California. So I'm thinking to just be and exist in the space and use the space first before going to IKEA, just to see what all exactly I need, so I'm not wasting money on unnecessary storage. So now I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of my current office. It is pretty messy, but like I said, I don't like to invest in storage until I've been in the space and know exactly what I need. So now that I do, this is the beginning stages of me putting my office together. So as you see from my two desks, this one right here is my computer desk, and then this one to the right is my filming desk. As you guys can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff on it because I just need more storage solutions and more space. And then over to the right, when I pan to the right, is going to be a whole bunch of stuff that needs to go into storage. So yeah, that's what I'm going to work on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button if it feels right, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.